You are a dental sleep specialist. What does a dental sleep specialist do? And how did you get into this journey?
So I would call myself a sleep specialist 1st. I'm a dentist, so I focus more on the role of dentist in managing sleep disorders. So my specialty is mainly managing sleep related breathing disorders. Sleep related breathing disorders are disorders where breathing is interrupted during sleep and what kind of effect it has, and therefore how to correct all that is what we kind of study about, and I now treat patients with those disorders. We are able to uh, prevent, manage these disorders in kids, especially with mouth breathing, snoring, obstructive sleep apnea, because that has a lot of effect on the brain in overall well-being of the patient.
Your son has been diagnosed as autistic as well as ADHD. So if you could just tell us about
Yeah, so I think that the autism spectrum, I think, as people generally know, is a fairly wide spectrum, right? So he has been diagnosed as being mildly on the spectrum along with ADHD. So that kind of preliminary diagnosis I got when he was about 3.5, 4 years old.